Alright, so just real quick, I went ahead and launched the website, so I will leave a link in the description below to that, as well as we have some of the JR Customs merch up, just like the hoodie I'm wearing, but the hoodies are not for sale yet. But just as a test run, I printed a couple hoodies. Right now I have, I think, 6 or 7 t-shirts up. There's one design that's not completely finished, but all the others are completely ready to go. And they're available right now, and I'm offering free shipping on all apparel, all the clothing, as well as I'm now a dealer for Wheel Pros. So if you need American Forces, Fuel Off-Road, I know I have Moto Metal, XD, KMCs, so any of those, you can go ahead and look on the website. And I know I don't have all of them, all the makes and models, because it takes a long time to get all those updated on the website, but I have, you know, a good variety of them, and I have, I think, 20 by 12s all the way up to 24 14s, so we're gonna be uploading daily, you know, trying to update that, but as of now, that's what we have on there. And another quick side note before we get to John's, I actually went ahead and posted on my social media, Instagram, about a new giveaway I'm doing. So as soon as we hit 2,000 subscribers, you'll have the chance of either winning a Banks Monster Ram intake. If you have a Cummins, there's that. If you don't have a Cummins, or you don't want that, my other option is a GoPro Hero 9. So both of approximately equal value, and whoever the winner is gets to choose which one they want. So if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to try and upload more often now. It's kind of difficult seeing how I'm running 6 days a week at work, and then every 5th Sunday I'm running. So it's kind of hard to upload, especially now that it's October and the weather's getting a little cooler out. You know, not too much to do outside now, but we're going to go ahead and try to keep uploading. But for now, we're just gonna go over here to John's and, yeah, see how he's doing. And that is not John's truck. That thing is clean. I love the paint job on it.
Yeah, fender flares done on it and shit.
He had the fender flares done on it?
Yeah, got fender flares that lifted and then put the wheels and shit on there.
Nice. You know, I really didn't think I liked these new ones, but this thing looks bigger than my truck. I'm pretty sure this thing is bigger than my truck, way bigger than my truck. I just meant like the overall like length and size of it. Like this back seat looks like, oh yeah. Oh, man, it even smells new. Okay, so basically what we're going to be doing is mounting some train horns. And as it looks under here, so a brand new truck, went ahead and took the spare tire off, and now let's see if I can get under here, if y'all can see how it's going to be under here. But so basically you're gonna have to fabricate a plate. That's not nice. Oh, sorry, John's gonna be the fabricator here. Fabricate a plate in order to mount this tank up under here. So right now we're measuring, seeing what we need to drill, weld, destroy. The line's up there. So John is down there now working on the train horn again, and he went ahead and installed the rock lights in the rear. So this is the passenger side. Still haven't connected the wires as they're dangling down there. Go over here past him. Go to the other side. There's 1, 2. And he's up there down there right now, making a bracket to hold the horns themselves. And we'll get back to you. So John, how do you like rock lights?
I don't.
They're not the funnest, are they?
They're not fun at all.
When it's 20 degrees outside.
Yeah, it's not fun at all.
But did finish them. Super clean, super bright lights. So this will be the first 2020 Silverado I've seen around the area with rock lights. Didn't get a chance to finish the train horns. I got somewhere to be. He's got somewhere to be. It's also a Sunday, so we'll still have to finish fabricating that. The wheel lights actually don't fit because the rotors and calipers are too big, so there's no clearing those on this truck. So we'll have to go to a bigger size. But rock lights are all working, all 8 of them. Pretty good install. I've been playing around with some of the colors to make sure they work and everything. All the red, green, blue diodes all work. But basically, while he's finishing zip tying up the rest of the wiring under there, under the hood right here. So over here is the power box, and the owner is actually getting to run a subwoofer, sub box in here. So he's got this ran through the firewall up there. But basically, our ground is right off this little terminal here. It's all tucked in down there. The only wire that's actually being shown under here is just one wire crossing over, as well as the other side. This is for the furthest most front rock light, which if we actually wanted to, we can actually go back in here, and we have to take a lot of this out here and tuck it under down here. But went ahead and just wrote over this for now. So if he wants it switched, we can go back in here and reroute it a little bit. So not that big of a deal. And the front power wire, put a little notch in the front of this box, pull this lid off, and it's right there. So that's where the power is being ran to, straight to that terminal. And then as far as under here, ran the power wires as well as the rock lights down this fender liner right behind here. They come out right under here. There's a little spot back here, a little crevice. They pop out right back here, so they're protected from the rock and stuff. They run along the frame, and they all join up right here where both these doors meet on this side. So, and then underneath the truck, it's all wired away from the, we'll see that there's still some power wires right here that's going to be soldered. But it's all ran away from the heat, the exhaust, the drive shaft. So looking at the side of the truck, you'll never even tell it's under there until the owner turns them on. And then as for the back, we did the same thing. This is the back farthest most corner. Just went ahead and ran them down and ran them along, crossed them over, away from all the heat. So not too bad of an install. Took a little bit longer than we wanted to, just because brand new truck, more delicate. No one's ever done it around here that we've seen. So what do you think? 10 out of 10? 10 out of 10? Oh, you have zip ties, don't you?
I have stuff in my mouth, bro.
That's nice. So anyway, we'll be back for next time. Hopefully finishing up the train horns and wheel lights. so we just left John's house. We weren't able to actually install the train horns because we still need to fabricate some brackets for that, and as well as the wheel lights because they didn't fit. So the customer is going to have to go back and actually buy some new ones that fit. But as for the rock lights, they're all wired up as you've seen, and they all work perfectly fine. So have the truck all loaded up, and the owner is actually going to take them back, take the truck back, and send the wheel lights back. And then when he gets new ones in, we're going to bring it back and finish off the wheel lights. So it shouldn't be too bad. Just the hardest part about that is just run the wiring. But then the fabrication of the train horn, which is not that big of a deal. It's just a little time consuming to make sure you get everything, perfect. So we're going to be coming back hopefully in the next few days and finish that up. But if you're not entered, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and you'll be entered into the giveaway. So whenever we hit 2,000 subscribers, I will be making a video, and just like the last time I did a giveaway, the way to enter it is be a subscriber for one, and then you'll comment on the video whenever I hit 2,000 subscribers, the video that I will post, and the comments, whoever enters in the comments, so they'll be entered into the giveaway. So 2,000 comments, 2,000 entries, and that will be the way we're going to do this giveaway. Later on we might do it a different way for next giveaways, but as for now, that's where we're going to do it. So if I hit 2,000 subscribers and I only have 20 people comment on that video, only 20 people are entered. So, and if you're not subscribed, you can't get entered. So little icon that says subscribe, hit that. As for now, we're going to go head home and get all cleaned up, showered, and eat some food, go to bed, and wake up tomorrow and go work at FedEx. So we'll see you in the next video.
Ryan Little.